Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can calculate the expiry date of an item in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Here I have a simple table. The first column lists the items, the second shows the purchase dates, and the third has the number of months until expiry. Now let's calculate the expiry date. In the expiry date column, type =@, then select the purchase date as the start date, add a comma, and select the months column. Close the bracket and press Enter. Excel will return the expiry date. Drag the formula down with autofill to apply it to all items. Next, let's calculate how many days are left before expiry. In the next column, type =expiry date today and hit Enter. This subtracts today's date from the expiry date, giving the remaining days. If the result shows as a date, don't worry, Excel stores dates as numbers. Just change the format from date to number, and you'll see the days left. Use autofill again to apply it to the whole list. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.